Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Santorini Black. This car is next due for a service in September 2021 and has previously had two owners. You have 22-inch alloy wheels with a silver finish, privacy glass, a powered tailgate, plenty of space in the boot. You can also put the seats down if you do need extra room. An electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one, and it's also discreet when you're not using it. Carrying on round the car and going to the front, you also have keyless entry, so if I tap that button the car will lock, and if I pull the handle the car will unlock as long as the key is nearby. Illuminated autobiography tread plates and a gorgeous leather interior which is easy to clean. A sliding panoramic roof which is really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just if you want a bit of fresh air. Cooler compartment which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer, along with heated and cooled in the back also, which ensures all your passengers are happy. Going back to the front seats, they are massage with several different options to choose from, which is a real luxury to have. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with timed climate, so you can set the temperature for your vehicle before you get in it. 360-degree surround camera along with a normal rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. You can also control your tow bar from inside the car, saves you having to get out. Ambient lighting, which looks really effective in the dark, got many different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all of which are handy when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 26,178 miles. And you do also have a really nice veneer throughout the car which just gives that luxury feel. Stepping back outside the vehicle, you also have soft door close. And that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this vehicle, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.